from Grade 5. Today we are going to Museum Bahari in Fathahillah. Before we going to Museum Bahari in Fathahillah, we are introducing yourself. My name is Gitara.
My name is Ingrid Tiara Julianti. My name is Farisa.
My name is Muhammad Aida Desa.
My name is Muhammad David.
My name is Lutfinur Radiansa.
Today I'm taking you to a short historical trip to iconic place in Jakarta. Museum Bahari, also known as Maritime Museum and famous Fathahillah Museum in Kota Tua. Both museum are full of story about Indonesian past from maritime heritage to history of Batavia. So let's begin our journey.
Right now, we're standing in the front of Museum Bahari, located near the old Sunda Kelapa Harbor. This area used to be one of the busiest trading port in Southeast Asia. As we walk inside, you can immediately see how strong Indonesian connection to the sea is. Here, the museum displays many boats from different islands, such as Finisi from South Sulawesi, Bejukung from Bali, and other unique vessels from across the archipelago. This exhibit shows how Indonesian travel, trade, and connect with other culture for centuries. You can also find old navigation tool used by sailor, maps showing spice trade route, and diorama that explain how maritime activity shape Indonesian history. I really like how each room has its own theme. Some focus on the navy, some on traditional fishing culture, and some explain the history of Indonesian maritime nation. It feels like walking through the time, learning how sea has always been an important part of Indonesian life. Alright, that's our quick look inside Museum Bahari. Now, let's continue our journey to our next destination, Fathahillah Museum, located in the heart of Kota Tua, Jakarta. We've arrived at Fathahillah Museum, also known as the Jakarta History Museum. This building was once the city hall of Batavia during the Dutch colonial period. Inside, you'll find a collection of historical items that help us understand how Jakarta developed over time. There are old maps showing the growth of Batavia, antique furniture from the 17th and 18th centuries, and paintings that show what the city looked like centuries ago. One of the most interesting parts of this museum is the underground prison. This dark and narrow room were used to lock up prisoners during the Dutch colonial era. Walking through them feel a little eerie, but if it's give you a little sign of Jakarta past. There are also displays about daily life in colonial time, clothing, tool, weapon, and objects used by people who lived here. Each exhibit help us imagine what Jakarta looked like before it became the modern city that we know today. Now we're outside in Fathahillah Square. This area is always lively with people taking photo, riding colorful bicycle, and enjoying the beautiful autumn atmosphere. It's one of the most iconic spots in Jakarta.
Just a wrap up our 5-minute historical vlog. Today we explore two important museums to tell the story of the Indonesian rich maritime culture and the Indonesian and Jakarta colonial history. If you enjoyed this trip, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel culture